Hey guys, what is going on? Golden here, and I'm going to be playing Fatty Bird. This Fatty Bird is very fat. And he's a huge giant bird. So let's get to it. Okay, Fatty Bird, what you need to do in this video is all you need to do is just be fat and be fat. Be fat all day. Be fat. Just be fat. Please, just be fat. Okay, let's go. Come on, Fatty Bird. No. If you make it to 10, you're not fat anymore. I won't call you Fatty Bird. I'll call you Joe. I'll call you Joe, and if you make it to 20, I'll call you Bob. And if you make it to 30, I'll call you Billy. Oh my gosh, you're never gonna do anything. You suck. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. This game sucks. I'm moving my Steve. That was my Steve. Okay. Oh my gosh, all you make it is the 2. You just make it the 2, that's all. Just make it somewhere past 2. I just need to take a sip. Okay, I'm good. Shh. Quietness. Quiet. Everyone be quiet. Shh. Cheer me on. It's not working. Cheer me harder. Cheer me on harder, guys. Cheer me on harder. You can do it. Oh my gosh. Guess I'm doing it hard enough. Do it hard. Harder. 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 Yay! Ariana Grande. Do you want to meet Ariana Grande? Follow Ariana's official account offline in line for a chance to meet her. Nope. I would love to meet a famous person, but no, I don't feel like it. Oh my gosh. Hello, Joe. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's make it the Bob. Bob. Hello, Bob. Bob, but your name's Bob. I want to save you. I want to save you. I want to name you Billy. Billy. The next one's Jack. Jack. Hello, Jack. Oh! I'm saving you again. The next one is Boss. Hello, Boss. I'm gonna name you Boss now. Your name's Boss. Your name is Boss. My best score is 76. So that means Boss, awesomeness, and I'm gonna name you Extreme since my high score is 70 something. Hello, Extreme, not Fatty Bird. Extreme Bird. You're getting great at this game. Oh my gosh, I'm bossing it. Yes! I am bossing it like a boss. I am bossing it like a boss. Okay. That's awesome. Freaking cool. And I'm not making it anymore. Okay, just 3 more tries. Ding. 4, 5, 6, 7. No 8. Can't believe you didn't make it to 8. You stupid butt cheek. You suck. 2, 3. No 4. Oh well. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this awesome video. If you did, be sure to leave a like for my background. No, I'm just kidding. I'll show you other picture. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll make more videos like this. Here we go. Get into it. Alright. Okay. Take a picture of this. Take a picture of this. 2 plus 2 equals 22. Genius! And this. And that. And yeah, oh, this is my other video. You don't need to hear me singing. I was not singing at all. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Butt cheeks.